Hello girls, it's Monday, and as you can see I have a sonic screwdriver. I got it for my 21st birthday, my best friend got it for me, and I've been using it on everything, and my mom thinks I'm crazy, but she just doesn't understand. Also, thank you guys for the awesome birthday video. I was not expecting to get one, so it was an awesome surprise, and I loved it, and thank you so much. I'm supposed to show you guys where I live. That's what this week's theme is, but the roads are really bad. They're kind of icy, and people are going in the ditches. But I have some old footage from like a few weeks ago of my like downtown area, so I'll put that right here for you guys to see. Bank, Tire Center. Over there we got some more snow, which is always lovely because it would not be wintertime without massive amounts of snow. Lots and lots of just like little shops are down through here. Nothing great at all, but we do have like a town park. I'll show you guys. There's the camera store where I bought all my camera supplies. This is like our downtown little park. We get like a Wendy's, and a carpet shop, bunch of little pizza places. We have a magic shop. Right there we have a magic shop. So yeah, I also had a birthday, hence the birthday video. And I only took one video. I wish I would have took more, but here's the video that I did take.
I said she knows it.
Do you want to do that again? Yeah, go ahead, reset. Hey Miranda! Are you going to say anything or are you just...
Oh, you're recording? Hi.
Now you just look dumb.
What am I supposed to say? It's my birthday.
Jeez, Meranda.
Yay! Birthday! Birthday!
You didn't like the triumph. You're 21.
Woo!
You're really drunk. You don't even have a cup.
Imaginary drink.
It's imaginary! Don't you see
Imagination!
Are you done now?
I'm done.
Good. So I hope you guys have an awesome week, and cats, I will see you tomorrow.